How to sign up for Thinkific. This is Matt. In this video, not only am I going to show you how to sign up for Thinkific, but I'm going to give you a 30-day free trial, as you can see right here. So first things first, I do have a link, an affiliate link in the video description just below this video. Find that link just below the video, click it, and you'll find yourself here on this page or a very similar page, depending on how they change their pages over time. So what you can see here is that you can sign up. You can get this 30-day free trial. All you need to do, enter your email here and click this button, start your free 30-day trial. And just like that, your trial will start. You'll get to test drive the platform, check it out. You don't know if it's the right platform for you until you give it a go. So give it a go. If it's not for you, you can cancel your trial anytime in that 30 days. There's no risk to you. If it is, you can stick around and get one of their paid plans. As you can see down here, they have Start Plan and Grow Plan. I've actually got another video that I'll link to in the video description where I go through the pricing in detail. So you can check that out as well if you want to see that. But that is how you're going to get that 30-day trial. That is how you're going to sign up for Thinkific. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, drop the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.